Hey guys, X2KO here. Today I've got a 14-inch Toshiba Satellite S40, which is a fairly inexpensive laptop that looks and feels a little more high-end than it actually is. It's a decently slim laptop measuring just under 20mm in height. The lid and palm rest have a nice brushed aluminium finish, the underside is made of a soft textured plastic, and it also features a chiclet style keyboard which is backlit. And it's very nice to type on. In fact, it is almost as good as the one found on a MacBook Pro. Almost. There is a bit of flexing on the keyboard when you press in the center quite firmly, compared to the MacBook Pro, which has very little flexing when pressed hard. Speaking of the MacBook Pro, here is a size comparison with a 13-inch Retina model. So you can see the S40 is quite a bit bigger, though it does feature a slightly larger 14-inch screen. It is also thicker, but then again, it is a less expensive laptop. The trackpad is quite large, and for a Windows machine it's also quite responsive. However, along the top it's quite firm, but as you move down towards the bottom it's a little bit loose, and you can actually hear it. You can hear that sort of a rattle sound. The screen hinge feels robust, although it is a little stiff. You can't open it one-handed. The screen is a fairly standard affair. It is a TN panel, so it does suffer from narrow viewing angles. In terms of specs, this one features a 4th generation Intel Core i5 with HD 4400 graphics, 4GB of DDR3 RAM which is upgradable to 16GB, a 500GB hard disk drive, and up to 6 hours of battery life. On the left hand side we have a port for the power adapter, an Ethernet port, 2 USB 3.0 ports, and the vent for cooling. Nothing on the back. On the right we have a headphone mic combo jack, a USB 2 with sleep and charge, and a 4K compatible HDMI port. Along the front we have 2 LEDs, one for power and the other for Wi-Fi. There is no hard disk drive LED. We also have a slot for the SD card reader. So that was a quick overview of the Toshiba Satellite S40. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks very much for watching.